In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable developer mode on Whop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, how to turn it on, and what to look for afterwards so you can start using developer-focused tools with confidence. First, open Whop in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the workspace or business you plan to manage. If you have multiple workspaces, double-check the one shown in your header so you enable the right place. Once you're in, head to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This is your avatar, and clicking it opens your account menu. If your window is small, you might see just the avatar without text. Either way, that's the spot you need. In the drop-down menu that appears, scroll all the way to the bottom. You're looking for the option labeled Developer Mode. It may be near other account or preference items, but it will be clearly named so it's easy to recognize. When you see Developer Mode, click the toggle to turn it on. The switch should indicate that it's enabled right away. If you don't notice a visual change, give the page a second. A quick refresh can help confirm the setting is active. With developer mode enabled, you'll gain access to tools built for building and integrating. Expect to see areas like apps for managing integrations, API tools for connecting external services, webhooks for event-driven workflows, and other advanced business features. These are designed to help you automate tasks, connect systems, and customize your setup. Take a moment to explore labels and descriptions within each section so you understand what they do before making changes. Next, return to your business or workspace dashboard to see the new options in context. Look for developer-related sections such as apps, API tools, webhooks, and your developer area. You may also see places to manage things like API keys. Treat anything related to credentials carefully and keep them private. If you don't see developer options right away, make sure you're in the correct workspace. Try a quick page refresh and verify your account has the necessary permissions. Occasionally, signing out and back in helps the menu update. If access is still missing, check your plan or contact support for guidance. That's it. You've successfully enabled developer mode on Whop. Explore the tools at your own pace, make small changes first, and you'll be set up for powerful integrations in no time. Thanks for watching.